So hi guys, today I'm going to do a chicken aglio olio. So what I've prepared here is mushrooms, diced onion, chili flakes, garlic, oregano, little bit of chicken stock. And for this portion, actually for 2 packs, 2 people, so there's 300 grams of pre-cooked pasta and 200 grams of chicken leg piece minced. So it's already preheating now, so I'm gonna put my garlic in first. So 1 tablespoon of sliced garlic. So olive oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay. So I'm gonna enter in 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 tablespoon of sliced shiitake mushroom. I'm going to add in the chicken piece. I'm going to go cook the chicken first. So break up the chicken pieces. I'm going to add in half teaspoon of chili flake, half teaspoon of coriander, of oregano, sorry, half teaspoon of chicken stock, and half teaspoon of crushed black pepper. I'm going to bring up the heat now. So before that, I'm going to put in some water. So don't let it dry up. So after cooking the chicken for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, yeah, it's minced chicken, so it will cook pretty fast. I'm going to add in a portion of spaghetti for 2%. I'm going to mix it well. If the pan is bigger, I can do the toss. So this is just a medium sized pan. So mix it well. Bring up the heat again. Add it a bit more water. I'll see you in a second. The spaghetti is ready, pasta, right? And ready to serve now. I'll switch off the fire. And see you guys. If you guys tried it out, let me know later in the comments. Thank you. Bye.